A sleepy little town of roughly 1 lakh population, Sri Dungargarh is situated in Rajasthan, the northwestern Indian desert state and center of colorful cultural and social activity. It is about 400 km west of Delhi, 260 km northwest of Jaipur, the Pink City, and 68 km east of Rajasthan, the Princely City. It is well connected by railways and major highways of these cities. Sesumu School, with its majestic buildings overlooking National Highway in Sri Dungargarh, has already become a landmark in the northwestern part of Rajasthan. The name Sesumu is derived from the names of the parents of the founding chairman, that is Shermal Sonadevi Mundra. स्वागत है आपका शिक्षा, चरित्र और अनुशासन के इस मंदिर में। जी हाँ, सेसुमु स्कूल की नींव इन 3 आधार स्तंभों पर रखी गई है। अपने पूज्य माता पिता की स्मृति में संस्था के चेयरमैन श्री जेपी मुंद्रा का यह विनम्र प्रयास है। सेसुमु स्कूल एक अंग्रेजी माध्यम सह शिक्षा का सीबीएसई एफिलिएटेड आवासीय विद्यालय है। The school building accommodates around 850 students with its well-furnished classrooms. Its spacious, airy, and naturally light classrooms make the teaching-learning process convenient and comfortable for the teachers and students. The school, which was started in 1919 with 125 students and 8 teachers, today stands as a huge complex comprising administrative block, 34 big classrooms, hostels, playgrounds, mess, dairy, water tank, nursery, farmhouse, teachers' quarters and girls' college.
सेसुमु स्कूल नाम है ढोरों के बीच विराजित एक प्रदूषण मुक्त एवं हरे भरे वातावरण वाले विद्या मंदिर का। शहरों का वातावरण जहां अस्थमा, एलर्जी तथा अन्य स्वास्थ्य संबंधी बीमारियों को जन्म देता है, वहीं गांव का वातावरण प्रदूषण मुक्त तथा स्वास्थ्यप्रद होता है। सेसुमु स्कूल एक प्रदूषण मुक्त, स्वस्थ एवं हरे भरे वातावरण में स्थित आवासीय विद्यालय है।
बच्चों के सर्वांगीण विकास के लक्ष्य को साथ लेकर चलने वाला यह स्कूल सभी आधुनिक सुख सुविधाओं से युक्त है। बच्चों के रहने के लिए एक उच्च स्तरीय हॉस्टल की व्यवस्था है। हॉस्टल में रहकर बच्चे में विभिन्न प्रकार के गुणों का समावेश होता है, जैसे समय नियोजन, खान पान का अनुशासन, व्यवहारिक अनुशासन आदि। हॉस्टल में नियमित खेलकूद, व्यायाम, साफ सफाई के प्रति जागरूकता, सहपाठियों के प्रति मिलकर पढ़ने की आदत, एक दूसरों के प्रति सहयोग की भावना, अपना काम स्वयं करना, अपनी वस्तुओं के सार संभाल तथा समानता के भाव जैसे अनेक गुण विकसित होते हैं। बच्चे में आत्मसम्मान, आत्मनिर्भरता एवं रचनात्मक दृष्टिकोण का उद्भव होता है। इन्हीं गुणों के साथ बच्चों में भावी जीवन की कठिनाइयों और समस्याओं का सामना करने की क्षमता विकसित होती है।
Morning Assembly of Sesumu reflects the culture of India. Traditional and age-old practices like meditation, yoga and pranayam form a part of regular morning assembly, which help the child develop the mental and physical capabilities to the utmost level. After pranayam and meditation, Sanskrit slokas and Hindi hymns are chanted by all the Sesumites. Then a phase of knowledge comes, in which thought of the day, news and action word are delivered by the students. After that, GK questions are asked by the students in group wise. Then the students are instructed by the teachers and the principal regarding the school activities. And at last, the morning assembly ends with the feeling of nationalism, that is, national anthem and national song.
Although academics is the cornerstone of child development at Sesumu, due importance is attached to an all-round emancipation to various co-curricular activities such as debate, quiz, mono-acting, music, dance, dramatics, etc. form a part of Sesumu curriculum. Environmental awareness, love for nature and the concern for fellow human beings are taught to students
by participation in various hand-on projects. A sense of competition always brings out the best out in the child. The whole student's body of the school is divided into 4 houses: Emerald, Ruby, Sapphire and Topaz. Inter-house activities are organized periodically to impart sense of healthy competition among children.
School arts are especially designed for optimum academic growth and development. Students are taught by using latest teaching methods and techniques. The school has well-equipped digital smart classes set up in collaboration with TeachNext. Teachers use students' central teaching tools, which increase confidence to develop the learning skills through seminars and workshops, and enhance the experience with special emphasis on character building. Is placed on building a strong moral character, excellence in academics, and disciplined approach to solve problems of life. It forms core of Sesomites' philosophy to help achieve the broader objective of transforming a child to become a right thinker and disciplined citizen of tomorrow with a deep abiding faith in the rich Indian culture, values, and heritage.
Evaluation system in Sesamo is divided into 6 different written tests, namely 4-unit test, midterm test and annual examination. Marks of the students are sent to their parents by SMS.
The computer and science labs are meticulously designed to satisfy the inquisitive young minds and satisfy the hunger for research and innovation. The school has separate labs for physics, biology, chemistry, computers, and English, which are fully equipped with the latest devices and experimental kits. A lab is the main feature of our school to enrich the students' ability in a practical manner. Well-equipped computer labs are a matter of great pride in Sesamo. There are 2 computer labs in the school. There are 40 computers with latest configuration and they are all connected with high-speed LAN. Sesamo has recently established a fully computerized English language lab. In this lab, there are as many as 20 computers programmed with particular language software. With the help of this software, students get a chance to improve their pronunciation, knowledge in grammar, etc. The music lab of Sesamo is a storehouse of the future singers, musicians, and instrumentalists.
Sesamo has a well-stocked library which is growing with every passing day along with the school. Children are taught to develop love for books and respect for knowledge from early age. Our library has more than 6,000 books, 27 periodicals, various genres, magazines, and some books of contemporary writers. Newspapers are also subscribed to update the students' mind with the day-to-day happenings of the world.
After the fruitful classes, the boarders have their meals in the school mess. मेस में पूर्णतः संतुलित और पौष्टिक आहार दिया जाता है। बच्चों को हर प्रकार का खाना खाने की आदत डाली जाती है और उन्हें एक भी कण जूठा छोड़ने नहीं दिया जाता। The school has a well-equipped kitchen with latest gadgets and is designed to maintain perfect hygiene and cleanliness. The food is cooked by qualified and trained chefs. Ultra-modern dining halls are manned by trained waiters. Most of the vegetables are grown on the campus with organic manure. A vast array of different fruit trees has been planted on the campus. A dairy on the campus provides pure milk to boarders. The quality of food at Sesamo has been greatly appreciated by both the parents and the boarders. On Sundays and the festival days, special meals along with sweets and ice creams are served to the boarders.
Sesamo School understands the importance of games and sports, as we understand that a sound mind resides in a sound body. Ample opportunities are provided to all the boarders to indulge in a variety of sports and games. The school provides almost all possible games and sport activities exceeding the expectations of the parents. The school boasts of a grassy football ground, accompanied basketball court and several volleyball and ball grounds and kho-kho courts, a covered swimming pool and indoor games like badminton, table tennis, etc. enable the students to acquire different skills. Children are encouraged to participate in all sports and activities.
विद्यालय का नया सत्र 1 अप्रैल 2016 से शुरू होगा। कक्षा तीसरी से 9वीं तथा 11वीं की एडमिशन प्रक्रिया चालू है। एडमिशन टेस्ट रोज़ सुबह 11 बजे से 2 बजे के बीच में लिए जाते हैं। पहले बच्चे का रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाना अनिवार्य है, फिर टेस्ट के रिजल्ट को देखकर ही उसे एडमिशन दिया जाता है। कक्षा 11वीं में कॉमर्स और साइंस स्ट्रीम में एडमिशन चालू है।
दुख सुख की क्या बात है, क्या दिन है क्या रात है, आंसू की
पहले जमाने में तो एक नाई जाके देख कर तो आजकल तो से लुगाया में डाल पड़ी।
फिर मैं टीला गए सो सामान का बाजार में मिले हरा ही ले राजा है उसने बना दे
और खाने ने अंग्रेजी तो आवे नहीं। मैं तो अंग्रेजी स्कूल में बटू से सोमो स्कूल में बैठे ने पढ़ाई तो घनी दोरी है।
Thank you.